Dear students, in the previous part, we have studied about the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Now, we will learn how to represent an irrational number on a number line. For example, suppose we have to represent root 2 on the number line. We draw a number line and at one distance we draw a perpendicular. Now we cut an arc of length equal to this 1 unit on this perpendicular and join this 0 with this intersection of the arc. Now this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and this will be root 2 unit length. By using Pythagoras we can prove it. We know hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, or h is equal to root of perpendicular square plus base square. This is base is 1 unit and perpendicular 1 unit, therefore 1 square plus 1 square, and that is root 2. So this length OA is equal to root 2 unit length. Now with OS center, that is origin, radius is equal to OA, we cut an arc on this number line. This intersection represents root 2. Now to represent root 3, the first step we will obtain a point on the number line that is equal to root 2, and then after at this point we draw a perpendicular to the number line. And again we cut an arc of 1 unit length. Let this point be B. Joining this OB, the length of OB is equal to root 3, because again using Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OC square plus BC square, and OB is equal to root of OC square plus BC square. OC is equal to root 2 units, root 2 square plus 1 square, and that is equal to 2 plus 1, and that is square root of 3. Therefore OB length is equal to root 3. And now with OS center, radius is equal to OB, we cut an arc intersecting the number line, and this point is root 3 on the number line. We can use another method. In this method we draw a number line, and first of all we obtain this OA, which is equal to root 2 unit length, by drawing a perpendicular, then cut an arc of 1 unit length and joining this OA. This is of root 2 length. Now in order to draw root 3, we draw perpendicular to this OA at point A, drawing 90-degree angle over here and cutting an arc of 1 unit length on this perpendicular. joining it, let this be B. This is of root 3 length, because base square plus perpendicular square, so root 2 square plus 1 square as shown this calculation over here. So this OB length is of root 3. Now suppose we have to represent root 18 on the number line. So first of all, we will try to select two numbers whose sum of whose squares is very close to this 18, and this is, we know, 4 square plus 1 square, and that is 16 plus 1, and that is 17. So we can take base on the number line which is equal to 4 units, and then draw a perpendicular at point 4. Now cut an arc of 1 unit length which is equal to this 1 unit, whatever unit we have selected on the number line. So this arc length is equal to this unit length. Now we join, let this point be A, we join this, and this is equal to root 17. We repeat the same process. At A we draw perpendicular of unit length, let this point be B. This is root 17 base square, that is root 17 square plus 1 square, that is root of 18. So OB is equal to, we know OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. So this is root 17 square plus 1 square, that is 18. So OB square is equal to 18, or OB is equal to root of 18. Now we use compass to cut an arc of radius OB and obtain a point on the number line, that is root 18 in length from the origin. Now we will represent square root of 6.7 on the number line. For this we draw a number line, mark it with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Then after we take a point of unit 6.7 on this, let it be, it is over here, let this point be A, this is equal to 6.7. Then after we mark another point on the number line at B such that AB is equal to 1 unit length. Then after we draw perpendicular bisector of this OB, perpendicular bisector of OB, to obtain the midpoint, say M. Then we draw a semicircle with M as center, radius is equal to OM. Now at A we will draw perpendicular to this line. Intersecting the semicircle at point C. Now taking A as center, radius is equal to AC, we draw an arc intersecting the line at point D. This AD is of length root 6.7. So shifting the origin from O to A, AD is equal to root 6.7, and thus this point becomes minus 6.7.